The more money you have, the more stress you are. Sa awakening, that's where you now start to understand that personal development is the only way you can achieve anything and everything about life. You now introduce to number one, growth mindset. Also includes health set.
Health set.
Starting to take care of your body. Your heart set. Very important.
Emotions.
Your emotion. Okay? Start to take a look at on business set, which means you also need to learn about the business.
Yeah.
Career. Kasi kung puro ka lang this 1, 2, and 3, happy, fulfilled ka, pero broke
Broke
ka.
naman.
You have to match it with business set, career set. Okay? But all of these are useless not unless you go to soul set. In the normal, traditional personal development, they only focus on money.
Okay.
Nothing wrong, nothing bad, except the more money you have, the more stress you are, simply because they did not focus on the other 4 areas.
Yeah,
Now, when you are starting your personal development right now, you make sure you take care of all of those 5 because that will actually start to recreate a new life for you, that you even forget who you were before, because now you have a daily practice to start working on internal using some tools. Affirmation,
Yan.
meditation, visualization, prayer, goal setting, all of that tools that are available from the book Think and Grow Rich, that you keep on practicing, up until your practice becomes your habit, your habit becomes your lifestyle becomes your programming, and it becomes who you are already.